hugs her head. It's so funny.
Namaste Dharti Vasio. Welcome to our channel. I'm Preeti.
Nemo here.
So guys, we have watched Legend of the Blue Sea.
As promised,
Yeah.
after the trailer looked so amazing. You can check
Yeah.
down the
It
video.
will be linked in the
Yeah, it
comment
would
below.
be linked. And we were so mesmerized with the story of Conman with a mermaid. So we were so intrigued that we saw the series and we literally binge watched it.
Yeah.
One after the other.
Yeah.
It was so entertaining.
Yeah.
So
this video is about Legend of the Blue Sea review and funny moments reaction because the series has
so
many funny moments.
Has a lot of funny moments.
Lee Min-ho, and Lee Min-ho is always like that. Lee Min-ho's face is like, are you trolling me right now? So Nemo, what do you think about the series?
Well, as you saw from the intro itself, I was so excited because it's a unique story. And this is the best part about K-dramas, right? That you have, first of all the series are short, 16 or 20 episodes.
Yeah.
And another part of K-dramas is that they use such amazing concepts and mainly from their own mythology.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And well, from the first episode itself, it is amazingly, it just hooks you on. And then episode after episode, I just kept on seeing it, and I loved the series, especially the storytelling.
Yeah.
So the series moves back and forth.
Yeah.
Right? It moves from past to present. And the characters are also connected with the past and the present. So it's a two-way kind of thing. And that is how the story is. So storytelling is very beautiful. And the sets, the locations,
Yeah.
my god, it's so mesmerizing. That's the overall, I can say, the chemistry between Lee Min-ho and Jun Ji-yoon.
Yeah.
Jun Ji-yoon, like the chemistry is amazing. Jun Ji-yoon as an actress, she does
one of my favorite
stupendous job of acting this naive mermaid.
Yeah.
Like she actually makes you believe that she is so naive and doesn't belongs to this world on the land. And all the other supporting characters, which are also huge cast, they play amazing. That's the overall, I can say.
Okay.
The review of the series is, I think it's a beautiful series. It's very heartwarming.
So I would like to say that this is a romantic story, but this is not very hardcore rom-com.
Yeah.
It has a beautiful storyline, what Nemo said, and I especially like the part that how the fate that people had in the past, they had the same fate in the present as well.
Yeah.
And it was up to Lee Min-ho and Jun Ji-yoon how they can change it. So we are not going to give you more things because it would be a spoiler.
It's just a review without spoiler.
Yeah.
We will give an in-depth review in a separate video where we discuss the pros and cons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not even supernatural. It's like mythological.
Yeah, it's mythological. It's not supernatural
Yeah.
because goblin and all that is supernatural.
Yeah, that's supernatural. And it's amazing to see that, like how, if I don't know if you people believe in past lives or not, but if you do, great. It's like, how is your past life, if that fate is carrying on in your present life too. So that was the one thing I really liked about the series. And it's not confusing you like, okay, what happened in the past, okay, I'm not able to tell you what's happening in the present. It always starts what happened in the past, and then the story begins in the present world. It always starts like that. So you're easily able to connect the dots. So I would say, if someone who is not too much interested in rom-com hardcore, then you should go for this.
Yeah, it's a very fun series.
Very fun series.
It's very engaging.
Yeah.
It's very, you like the chemistry. Another thing I would say, actors to look at, our very favorite actor, Sang Dong-il. Sang Dong-il is amazing actor. He has done so many roles and characters.
He is always in a supporting cast.
Yes.
But he has played so many of variety
amazing
roles.
We feel he's an amazing actor because
Yeah.
he has done so many. I mean, yes, Lee Min-ho does this typecasted role, which he does it very amazingly. But Sang Dong-il does so many characters.
Different characters.
I guess partially because he's a supporting actor and he gets this wide range of acting.
But he plays it so well.
Yeah, he takes the screen away.
Yeah.
In this series, he's playing a serial killer.
Yeah.
Right? And a psychopath.
Yeah.
And he plays it amazingly.
Yeah. So that's the best thing about Sang Dong-il. It's like we appreciate him a lot because
like him a lot. He's a great actor. One point why you should see the series.
Yeah.
Another I would say is the main antagonist of the series.
Yeah.
Lee Ji-hoon.
Yeah. He played. His name was Ji-hoon, right, in the series.
So Ji-hoon, his character transition is amazing. From being this polite to becoming the main antagonist and plotting and
because
everything.
He was like forced to become like that.
He was because of the situation and the way he takes the turn.
Yeah,
it's amazing. You see this type of high quality acting in this series also, apart from the storyline and everything. And rest all the cast are amazing at their jobs.
There is this one more actress and her name is Shin Hae-sun.
Yeah, she's also very big actress.
She was in Mr. Queen. She was also doing the supporting roles, and then she finally got like the series like Mr. Queen and everything, and like I really liked her a lot in series 2. So yeah, overall a very beautiful series and a very engaging storyline. So you should definitely watch Legend of the Blue
Funny,
Sea.
it's romantic, it's engaging. Mythical, so many things
together.
It's the same Lee Min-ho.
And I'm a fan of Jung Ji-hoon now.
Yeah, Jung
Ji-hoon. She's one of my favorite Korean actors.
Has been amazing. Lee Min-ho, as usual, is amazing. He makes
Lee Min-ho is Lee Min-ho in the series.
It feels like your close blanket.
He's
rich. He makes you feel so warm.
Yeah.
He's the ideal person, I guess.
Yeah. So, guys,
let's start with the funny moments.
Funny moments.
Cherish it again.
근데 허중재, 나 궁금한 게 있어.
아, 또 뭐?
저 안에 있는 다른 사람들은 다 어디로 갔어?
어?
He calls his friend.
이 안에 있어?
Yeah,
나오라고 하면 안 돼?
The acting of being this naive.
나오라고? 거기서?
응. 아까 진짜 너의 아버지는 이러고 끝났어. 그러더니 다음 이 시간에 만나지. 나 진짜 너무 궁금해. 진짜
He
아버지가
calls his friend to ask who the real father is.
많이 궁금해? 어떻게? 내가 한번 물어봐줘?
아, 정말? 아는 사람들이야?
알지. 우리 집 새들어 사는 사람. 그 안에 살잖아.
진짜?
내가 전화해서 물어봐줄게.
That's why I love Lee Min-ho. He can pull off such scenes so easily.
야, 괜찮냐? 난데. 나 집주인인데. 무슨 집주인? 그냥 들어가시면 어떡해요?
Oh, different?
Yeah, she hangs her head. It's so funny.
That is really scary.
야, 너 뭐해?
나 신경 쓰지 마. 난 그냥 네 얼굴 보고 싶어서.
It's so scary.
야, 머리 넣어라. 들어가. 들어가. 진짜 소름.
근데 네 친구들은 왜 집에 안 와?
걔는 오늘 안 들어와.
그럼 너랑 나랑 둘만 있어?
야, 또 그러고 웃으니까 더 무서워. 안 들어가? 귀신이니?
미안한데 나 신경 안 쓰면 안 돼? 난 그냥 이게 재밌어서 그래. 볼래? 넌 눈 감으면 되잖아. 감으면 안 보이잖아.
남양 특집도 아니고 위에서 뭐가 뚝뚝 떨어지는데 어떻게 눈을 감고 있어?
아, 이게 싫구나. 싫으면 내가 내려갈까? 네 옆으로? 아유 그래. 아유 그럼 내가 내려가야겠다.
그래. 내려와서 그대로 나가. 오늘 나가나 내일 나가나 뭐 그게 그거지. 내려와 왜? 어? 뚜껑 꽉 닫아라.
왜 왔어?
아직 여기 있네요. 안에 준재 있어요?
허준재가 모르는 사람 문 열어주지 말랬는데.
나 모르는 사람 아니잖아요. 뭐 하는 거예요?
나 너 잘 몰라.
여기가 당신 집이에요? 나 허준재 만나러 온 거거든요?
아, 그렇구나. 들어와.
단둘이 있었어요, 어제?
She's trying to imitate her.
나 청희 씨더러 같이 살재요? 아니잖아요. 상대가 원치 않는데 여기 이러고 있는 거 그게 바로 들러붙어 사는 거예요. 빈대처럼 피 빨아먹으면서.
나 피 안 빨아먹었어. 나 안 먹었는데 피?
아니, 실제로 피를 빨아먹는 행위를 했다는 게 아니라 돌려 말하면 청희 씨가 못 알아들으니까 그냥 직접적으로 얘기할게요. 나가요, 그냥.
She'll bite her finger.
여기 왕빈대처럼 들러붙어 있지 말고 나가라고요.
졸지 마, 안 먹어. 너흰 여기 어떻게 왔니? 아, 거기서? 나도 거기 가봤는데. 거기 볼 좋더라. 돌고래들도 많고. 억울하다고? 나보다 더 억울해? 한 놈만 바라보고 그 먼 길을 왔는데. 난 큰 것도 안 바래. 그냥 한 집에서 서로 사랑하고 위해주면서 같이 사는 거. 빈대집 말고.
She's so cute.
She's doing the flyers.
손 나와 있다.
누나 전단지 하나 주세요. 찜질방 전단지. 저도 주세요. 저도.
Lee Min-ho is paying them.
He sends all
Uh.
people after that. The one gives her food.
그렇지. 저 2장이에요. 야, 이 2장 가져와도 1,000원이야.
I want to eat this. What is
Yeah.
that? That is something filled with sweet
Yeah.
bean paste.
It's very tasty because all of them eat it in the drama.
Yeah, I want to eat that. That and roasted sweet potatoes. I mean, we eat it here too.
아니에요.
But it might
They, I
taste
want to take the
아니라고요.
tteokbokki, yeah.
tteokbokki, yes.
아니 이게 뭐가 아니야.
And soju.
Soju, tteokbokki. There is this one.
Gimbap.
혹시
There is this one thing.
주시겠어요?
It's red in color
핸드폰
and it's
없으세요?
like very like soup and it's very like with lots of veggies. I saw that in Goblin Drama. I don't remember the name of the dish. And they eat that with rice.
야, 십청.
허준재!
내가 깜빡하고 말 안 한 게 있는데 너 혹시 누가 전화번호 물어보면 절대 알려주면 안 돼. 알겠어?
왜?
왜는 그런 놈들 다 나쁜 놈들이니까 그렇지. 너 깨무는 거 잘하지. 그런 놈들 찝쩍대면은 그냥 확 물어버려.
That's what I like about her. The very big expressions, the
근데 너
naive
어디야?
face.
나? 나는 너랑 아주 멀리 있지.
허준재! 허준재! 허준재!
너구나. 너 여기 있었어?
Wow. So yeah. So these are few funny moments, and there are
Lot
of
many
them
in the series.
in the series.
And you can also see the type of acting we are looking
Yeah,
at and
yeah.
how.
It just looks very natural.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a very beautiful story of fate. they both were in the past. They are reborn again against Jung Ji-hoon as mermaid and Lee Min-ho as
Con
man, and how they meet again. So yeah, it's how it's interconnected, like the past and present. So you should watch it because of that, like how the fate brings them back and how they can change it. So it's a very beautiful story. You won't get bored. That's
Yeah.
a promise, that you won't get bored watching Legend of
It's
the
very
Sea.
engaging.
Yeah. So hope you like our reaction to funny moments, and if there are any more K-dramas that we should check out, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.